So today we're going to try and bend up 3 different types of pieces for our outdoor cook set over the fire. We're going to create a tripod to hang different pots from and things like that. That tripod is also going to work as a rotisserie, so 2 posts will go on the ground and 1 across them, and we can use it for roasts and things like that. And we can also hang other pots along it, off of it at different heights with some S hooks that we're going to bend up. So that's the second thing we'll bend up, is the S hooks for hanging pots at different heights on the tripod and on the rotisserie. And then the third thing I want to bend up is a little grill that'll be on a post, and you'll be able to ride up and down on the post for different heights and then swing in and out over top of the fire as well. So a grill for hot dogs or for steaks or different things like that. So those are the 3 different types of things we're going to try and bend up today. So let's grab the mild steel that I picked up today, and we'll have a look at that, and I'll tell you what I've got to bend up, and we'll see how we go with it. So as far as the steel goes for this project, I've got 3 of these 5-foot, 1/2-inch mild steel bars, and that'll be for the tripod and rotisserie. I have a 3/4-inch 4-foot section that'll get driven into the ground about 1 foot, so about 3 feet above the ground, and that's for the grill to go on and be able to come up and down, so that'll be for that. And then I've got just some 3/4-inch angle here that we'll get welded to the grill around the edges, just to create a bit of a frame for the edges. So that's just, yeah, again, just a mild steel, and I think an 1/8 inch wall on it. So that's what I've got for steel today to be bending up. So let's get at it and start cutting and bending. Alright, so there's all the pieces that we're going to need. So I got a little bit of welding to do on a couple of things that I wasn't able to do a sharp enough bend on, and got to weld together this this little tray, and I need to get the grate for it, but we'll get that done, and then we should be ready to go. So probably next time we'll check in with you, we'll be up the land installing it over the fire pit, so we'll check it out there.
nice, you know.